Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to days 59, 60, and 61 of the hashtag Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spill Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day challenge where if you only had 10 minutes of your time, you could see what you could make within that time frame. So I'm playing catch up. And so the last session we had, we made we finished up this layout right here. So today I'm going to start on another one, and looks like I'm running out of pages quickly. So, but the good thing is Vera had sent me this other little it's a little mini journal, and that'll help me with my 10 minutes. I'll be able to start on working on some of these right here within my 10 minutes. But today I'm going to go ahead and do another layout, another spread, and I'm just going to do, I'm going to see what I can get done within basically it's the whole 10 minutes is the first 10 minutes is going to be the whole 10 minutes, and then of course, you know how I do when I'm trying to play catch up, I'll do the other 20 minutes but sped up. All right, as a matter of fact, what I'll do, instead of stopping after 10 minutes and then speeding it up again and then starting again at another 10 minutes, I'll just, after the first 10 minutes, I'll put it back to 20 minutes, and then that part will be sped up. All right, so starting with the first 10, I'm going to be using some of her papers as a backdrop. I really love these. I can't help myself. I love grunge, and this, especially with this being a coffee theme, I can't help myself. So, and I really, really like this paper right here. So we're going to do something with these three, and I'm going to use some Mod Podge, and I might use some paint and stencils and things like that. We'll see. But to start out, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to pour a little bit of Mod Podge onto the page, and I'm just going to spread it with my rag, because some of my other brushes are like stiff. So I'm just going to put this here. And like I said, I love how it has a different language in there. I love that. Love, love, love that. And I really love this right here. This, it's got like a wood grain kind of to it. I love that. So we're just going to add this one here. Let me pour a little bit down in here. Ooh, I got quite a bit. Spread that. And then if I have time, I'll dry it. If not, then we'll see. I should have enough time to dry it. I'm going to try not to saturate it too much, but we'll see. Go ahead and get some glue on that part so it go ahead and stays down. Go ahead and put a little bit over here. Like I said, I might do some stencil work or something. I don't know yet. Haven't decided. And then we're going to put some papers over here. And then I'm probably going to just paint too, because like with white gesso, because it'll go ahead and I think gesso has like Mod Podge or something in it, like a sticky source in it already. So let me add a little bit more Mod Podge. I'm finding that when I pour it, it's a whole lot quicker. And yes, you might say, well, it's going to be more saturated. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. But either way, it's fine. It's okay. Now this, I need a little bit more because, oh, I really got too much right there. Okay. I don't know why I thought I had already put enough on that part right there, but I guess I didn't. Alright. And then I'm just going to add a napkin and, well, let's add this one here first. And like I said, I will be adding napkins and stuff like that. And I'll probably paint too. And then dry. And then after I dry, then I can add some stickers and things like that I need to start using. That I love to use them, and I don't know why I haven't used them. I just haven't, but this is the perfect time to use it. It's in here. Let's go ahead and, well, I don't really need that right there. All right, so now I'm going to put this. Now some people take like they'll take a paintbrush and water and then they'll cut around it. I'm not doing all that. You can actually just cut around your image or tear around your image, to me, and it works just as good. But I guess it depends on if you're trying to have a lot of texture along with the image, you know, so I guess it makes a difference. Either way, anyway. This is how I'm doing mine. So let me spread that out. Lay this one there. And you could use a brush, and a brush probably would do better. But I'm okay using this rag. I'm just going to put this one down here. And notice I like to put mine in these little corners because these are not the focal point, but they'll still show. And so that's why I'm putting them down here where they'll still show, and it's not like, it's not the focal point, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, let's see. Get this torn out. And then I might add some gesso or even blue paint or something, I don't know. I'll probably just add some white gesso. Alright, let me move all this out the way because I've got stuff that's getting stuck on here. Alright, here, let me wipe this off so I don't have an even bigger mess on my hands. I'm just going to rub it on here somewhere. That way I'm not really wasting it as much. Alright. You'd think I'd have saran wrap nearby so I could keep it on my media and stuff, but nope, I do not. All right, so I'm gonna take some white gesso. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna use that rag with the gesso. And I'm just gonna spread it. I like it how like when you tap around it, it just kind of blends in better that way. I kind of like that texture that I'm getting with this too. That white paint. Let me just add some glue to this right here so it'll stay down. And some paint. Alright, so that's my first 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take my next 20 minutes and we're going to try to dry this and see what kind of a layout we can get. Alright, so I'm just going to go in the fast forward moment and I'm going to put 20 minutes on and here we go. Alright, so there's the time, and I'm just going to glue this little house down. And I might even turn it into like a little pocket. I'm just going to put it here. And let's see. I think I will turn it into a pocket, and I'm going to put this gorgeous, well, this is a tag. I think I'm gonna stick this tag down in here. So I think that would look good there. And yeah, I think that'll work. All right, so this is what we have for all 3 sessions of days 58, 59, no. I forgot which days it was. I think it's 58, 59, and 60. Or 59, 60, and 61, whichever one it is, I forgot. And here's our little layout. I just basically, it looks the way it really is. I just glued a lot of stuff. I think I should have left the background the way it was and then just put a little bit on here. But yeah, I got carried away. But here we go. This is what we have. So. And Jennifer made this. This was part of what she had given me, Jennifer Real, and I appreciate that so much. So I've got lots of Happy Meal from different people from over the years, and I haven't had time to really just use all of it. So I'm really trying to. So, all right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.